I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome back to another hastily put together edition of Kip Does Stuff. This is my auger brace. I've been wanting to get bits for this for years, and lo and behold, I own a set. Didn't even realize it. It's been sitting on a shelf, rolled up in this stupid plastic case, and I did not know. So in here we've got Irwin auger bits, 16 down to 16, 14, 12, 11, 10, 9. I think it goes down to 4. We got 1/4 inch up to 1 inch. And then there was this rando in there. Only problem with it is someone cut the base off this one so they could put it in a regular drill. Even though this and this have been on the same cart for years, I just never know it was in this case. So let's go ahead, put them in the brace and bore some holes to see how easy these things are to use. Okay, I put the very first bit in the brace. It's the smallest one, I think 1/4 inch, number 4. And I've already got 1/8 inch pilot holes started about an 1/8 inch in. Each auger bit has a threaded part on the end that helps it pull through the wood, and I wanted to give it a fighting chance. I'd have done this anyway. So, let's see how well these work. Okay, I'll give you a look at these. Here's number 4. Didn't cut so well because I think the threads on the end of it are too fine and wouldn't pull it into the part. 6 cut good. 8, 10 was great. Number 12 was the one that had the bottom cut off of it, and I couldn't get it clamped in the brace worth a darn. So that failed. 14 worked good. The odd one, it seemed to want to cut, but I don't think it's sharp enough. And it looks like these two are the same size. So even though that one's been cut off, I've got a replacement if I can sharpen it. And I gotta check out those threads. They might not be good either. The 1 inch, number 16, I just couldn't get enough pressure down on it to cut in. May need to be sharpened also. But all in all, I think they'll work for what they are. I've also got spade bits and Forstner bits, and they're all in the same size as these ones. So I think in a pinch I'll be able to get a hole drilled. Thanks for watching.